Download Discord app on Android. Now in order to download Discord app on Android, just simply open your Google Play Store. Then after opening your Google Play Store, just simply tap into the search button, and after tapping in there, you will be able to see a bunch of stuff in here. You just simply need to select this search bar from the very top. In there, type Discord. Then after typing Discord, hit the search button, and this application of Discord Talk, Play and Hangout will appear in the very top with the white and bluish logo. Simply open it and tap to this install button, which will be in your screen. Then after that, depending on your internet connection's speed, your Discord app will successfully be downloaded in your device. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.